Meeting process, bali kailangan pa rin sa plenary.
Hindi. Automatic yun eh. Yun ang maganda nun eh. We don't need to do that in plenary because Erwin is the vice chairman. So therefore, in the absence of the chairman, he automatically becomes chairman. He is automatically the acting chairman of the Blue Ribbon. Ngayon, we will ask Senator Tulfo when he comes back. He's presently abroad for a very short while. When he comes back, we will have a Blue Ribbon meeting.
SP, sorry, paulit lang. SP, ano pong napag-usapan sa caucus?
Yung majority na pag-usapan na we are not discounting any of the five na pwede naming makausap na maging chairman ng Blue Ribbon. As a matter of fact, most of us, kung present lahat, they would like to appeal to Senator Lacson. But in the meantime, Senator Erwin Tulfo, being the vice chairman, automatically becomes the chairman right now. So he is the acting chairman. And we all agreed that he's acting chairman. So I called him and I made sure that he accepted it, and he did accept it.
None of the five, including Senator Risa and Senator Pia, what's the position, SP?
Oo basta sila pa rin kandidato namin at lahat ng mga kasama namin. Any of the five,
But
especially Senator Lacson.
But none of the five wants it right now.
Right now, yes.
So
None
ibig
of the
sabihin,
five
sir,
wants it right now.
acting chairman si
Acting
Senator
chairman
Tulfo
ngayon. As of
because
now, acting chairman si Senator Erwin Tulfo. And as soon as he comes back, we are going to conduct a Blue Ribbon meeting. Meeting muna.
But what happens with the hearing now that you only have acting chairman? Tuloy po ba yung hearing?
Tuloy yun. The Blue Ribbon is always alive. It's always alive. That's the only committee na may motu proprio powers okay? Now, it doesn't mean that because nasa break o nasa iba yung nasa out of town, it doesn't mean that the Senate is not working. The reason we have this break is so that the committee hearings continue. There will be continuous hearings of the different committees and even most especially the Committee on Finance,
Pero,
almost daily.
Sir, yung acting pero eventually magiging permanent chairman siya ng Blue Ribbon o pagdidesisyonan pa rin niya?
Pagdidesisyonan niya.
Can you clarify?
Pagdidesisyonan niya at namin.
So far, wala.
So yung binanggit po ninyong lima, sir, lahat sila ayaw.
At the moment, ayaw.
Dahil ano pong binanggit?
Plus Senator Lacson, medyo they're very, ang sinasabi nila is very busy sila doon sa mga hearings nila halos lahat, 2-3 committee.
Pero,
na hinahawakan nila na very, very important committee, major committees.
Gano po? Sorry.
So what they're saying is that they don't have time for it right now.
Gano po?
So kaya yung right now, ibig sabihin nun, kaya hindi namin din-scout na yung lima totally out of the question.
Gano po ka-posibleng magbago pa ang isip ni Sentin? Sabi niya kahapon, final answer, no na.
Ewan ko, I can't say.
Right now, he's not in the caucus.
No,
He did
was
not attend?
No, he does not feel well. Even yesterday, he was called sa CA, hindi siya hindi niya mabasa yung out loud yung mga recommendees.
Sir, anong
So, may
initial
binanggit kayo
reaction ni
na-
Senator Erwin Tulfo doon sa pagiging acting?
Sorry?
Anong reaction ni Senator Erwin doon sa pagiging acting chairman niya?
Tinanggap niya ba?
Okay, tinanggap niya. Tinanggap niya. Sabi
Open
niya,
siya
siya
na
vice
maging
chairman.
permanent din po.
So sabi lang niya sa akin, acting muna ha.
Sir, so can you clarify lang? Some senators, like si Senator Amy, nagreklamo, ba't daw tinigil yung hearing ng Blue Ribbon? Can you clarify lang? Kasi ganun yung dating sa ilang senators, na tinigil niyo po yung, pinatigil daw.
I think she'd better ask some of her colleagues. There's some of her colleagues saying bakit nag-hearing merong ongoing na ICI. Siguro sila muna mag-usap.
But as far as you're concerned,
Kasi as far as we're concerned, hindi naman kami tumigil Kaya lang, meron lang mga budget hearings na kailangan gawin. We're nearing the deadline of what we did. So, hindi ganun kadali yun.
Oh, sir.
Hindi naman mawawala yung mga hearings na yun at hindi rin mawawala yung submissions namin sa ICI. As a matter of fact, I'm holding a letter to the ICI na may mga hinihiling sa amin. And I will personally go there and clarify kung ano yung mga hinihiling nila.
Like
Sir,
what?
yung reluctance nila or refusal nila to chair the committee, may kinalaman dun sa bigat po ng iniimbestigahan o sa eleksyon?
Hindi. Yung iba, parang gusto nila si Senator Lacson pa rin. You better ask them.
Opo, sir,
Better
kasi-
ask the five because that's what they told me.
May sinasabi kasi sir na may sumpa ang chairmanship ng Blue Ribbon. Pag naging chairman natatalo sa
Wala
election.
naman. Wala naman. Hindi naman lahat yun mag-election.
But can you say, sorry Ates, can you say majority? Gusto pa rin Senator Ping? Majority of the senators? Can we say
Majority
that?
of the majority.
Okay.
I don't know. I cannot speak for the
Sir,
minority.
magiging ano ba siya, si Senator P, magiging vice chair? Ano na yung magiging role niya sa Blue Ribbon?
He's an ex-official member.
Ex-official, kasi pro tem.
As I said, no,
Pero sir,
baka nga blessing in disguise yan kasi pagka si Senator Lacson hindi siya chairman,
Pero sir-
so hindi siya ang puntirya ng puri or pintas.
Pero sir, may
And he will probably be a very good critic.
may assurance po siya sa inyo na magpa-participate pa rin siya sa mga hearings.
Oh, yeah, he's ex-official member. Sigurado nga-attend siya nun.
Sir,
Nakakatulong.
as acting chairman,
Okay.
meron ng schedule si Erwin kung kailan niya re-resume yung hearing?
Di ba, mag-usap kami as soon as he comes back. I think by next week.
Kasi
We'll
out of the
conduct
country
a Blue Ribbon meeting muna para ma-discuss kung ano yung mga
SP, what can
nitty-gritty
you say
of
po
the
dun sa sinabi
details.
ni Senator Alan na pwede pamunuan ng minority ang Blue Ribbon Committee?
Kahit sino naman pwede mamulong sa Blue Ribbon talaga eh. Basta't senator ka, pwede ka doon.
Pero majority muna, majority.
But can,
Siyempre, ang nagdi-dictate siyempre, the ones who has the most number of votes.
but is there an assurance that even during the break, there will be a hearing? Even kahit isa lang? From Blue Ribbon? Because you will resume November 10.
We will find out as soon as the Blue Ribbon meeting is over, is met.
Tama po ba yung next hearing, SP? Yan yung meron na kayong invitation kay Zaldico? Tsaka kay Speaker, dating Speaker Romualdez.
I don't know. We'll better look at the other.
Sir, may yun po na po yung
We'll better talk to the
Sorry, SP, sorry.
the members of the meeting. The members of the committee, and sure.
request sa inyo ng
Members of the committee.
Ano request sa inyo ng ICI?
Haba ng listahan eh. Kaya nga, I would want to be clarified kasi yung hinihingi, sabi, net down ng 2020 to 2025. Eh, nasa DBM yun eh. So siguro baka hinihingi na yung aming GAB and then humihingi din sila nung pinadala sa BICAM at yung result ng BICAM, something like that. So I think I'll visit them and clarify what they
Could you comment?
because some of the notes that they would want is found in the website of the DBM.
Could you comment lang dun sa mga senators na may lookout bulletin? For example, may mga senators na pinapalookout bulletin ng ICI, sila Senator Jinggoy, Senator Cheese.
Ano ba? I don't know. I haven't heard that.
Sir, ano po yung iba na pag-usapan sa focus? Ano pa po yung ibang mga importante na pag-usapan?
Budget. We wanted to make sure that there will be a very 2026 clean budget.
May deadline kayo sa budget committee hearings kung kailan matatapos?
Oo,
Kailan
sana by the second week of November.
Committee hearings yun, SP? Yung second week of November?
So dapat tapos na yung mga committee hearings.
SP, may panawagan po ang INC na buksan sa publiko yung pagdinig ng INC. Your comment lang po.
Oh, yun din ang sinabi ko eh. Mga 2 days ago pa, di ba? Sinabi ko na dapat mas maganda malaman ng publiko ano nangyayari sa ICI.
SP, tas na lang din kay appointment ni Remulla.
Ano?
Appointment ni Remulla sa ombudsman.
He's going to be a very good tribune and protector of the truth and justice.
SP, sasama po kami sa elevator.